Do you just want to create a simple landing page with your WordPress site and not have to go through the complications of a complex sales funnel builder similar to ClickFunnels? Well guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you why I use Thrive Architect instead of ClickFunnels to build my simple landing pages. Stay with me throughout this video. What's up guys, Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about why I use Thrive Architect to build simple landing pages over complicated sales funnel builders such as ClickFunnels. But before we get started, let me reintroduce myself to those that don't already know me. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur and I talk about digital marketing, mindset, and freedom. I drop new videos on this channel every single week. And if you are new to this channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me a comment down below. Now guys, we're going to jump right into why I've chose Thrive Architect, what is Thrive Architect, and show you how simple it is to create a landing page with Thrive Architect. All right. Now, I'm not bashing ClickFunnels at all. ClickFunnels is an amazing platform, and if you want to build a sales funnel, go all out and use ClickFunnels. Now, Thrive Themes is something I use because I can use it with my WordPress site, and it's great for simple landing pages. All right. So I'm going to show you a couple landing pages that I have, that I use, and how easy it is to actually set one up, okay? So what is Thrive Architect? Thrive Architect is a WordPress plugin, and it's created by Thrive Themes, which Thrive Themes has two options on how you can get their plugins. You can get every one of their plugins by paying a monthly fee of $19, and you got access to all their stuff, which is actually a really good deal if you are just getting into WordPress and want everything. Then that's a good option to use because you can get everything they have, and it's a great company. Okay, just keeps getting better. But Thrive Architect is just one of their plugins. If you just want to buy one plugin, pay one-time fee, you can pay $67 for one license or $97 for 5 licenses, I think it is. But this is a great product, and you'll see here you can create landing pages real simple, real easy. This is basically how easy it is to build a landing page, and he's just going through this right here, showing you how easy it is to edit the page and go in and do whatever you need to do. So you can come to it's thrivethemes.com architect. There'll be a link down in the description, but guys, just go there, review it a little bit, and if you feel like it's something that will work well for you, then go for it. Now, you will need a WordPress site, and you will need an email marketing tool such as GetResponse. This is what I use. I use GetResponse, and I use Aweber as well, but I'm primarily use GetResponse. I'll drop links down below for the email marketing tools, and you'll also need a hosting platform if you don't have a WordPress site, because you'll need to start a WordPress site. So Bluehost is who I use. I'll drop a link down for them. You can use my affiliate links. They're just links that I'll get a small commission from, but if not, just go there and go purchase whatever you want. This is the prices of Thrive Architect, and again, like I said, this is just a one-time fee, and it's a great deal if you're building out web pages, okay? But you can build out a web page and create as many pages as you want with your landing pages. So you could have 30 landing pages on one website, or 100 if you want. It doesn't really matter, okay? You don't have to host the pages on your site. You can just keep them separate from your actual site. So one thing I will show you is my website, and then I'll show you the landing pages that I build off my website, okay? So my website is zebsummers.com. If you go to zebsummers.com, this is just a WordPress site, and I have lots of cool information here. A free ebook if anybody is interested in a free ebook, my YouTube channel, all kinds of cool stuff. I got a couple posts, resource page. I got all the resources that I use. I'm big into Legendary Marketer as an educational tool. ClickFunnels, Badass Copy Masterclass, that's a good one. Bluehost, Legendary Book is good. My Book, GetResponse, Udemy for solo ads, TubeBuddy, which I use all the time for my YouTube videos, Russell Bronson's perfect webinar course. If you haven't done this, this is an amazing course. All kinds of cool stuff. But I built this with WordPress. All right, so this is a WordPress site. This is what I host all these off of. Okay, so you'll see here in a minute, this right here is my pages, right? So all these right here are my bridge pages and whatnot that are used for my landing pages. So what I'll do is I'll go over here. This is one of my landing pages, right? And there's probably if you click on the top link, well, no, this one's a testing landing page. So this test landing page, let me go to edit Thrive Architect. So I just created this one real quick, and this is all default here. This is a default theme, right? I 5 minutes to higher conversion rates. This is all default what they give you. Okay, so you can come in here, create this, and what you do is you come over here, you click this button here to change your templates. Here's the template that I'm using right now. I can use all these different templates. So you can select whatever template you want, and then once you choose your template, it'll pop up here. You can just go in and edit the text that you want to say, delete whatever you want, name the button, whatever you want to do. You just go in here and change all this stuff. You link I linked my GetResponse account, and I have it going to my website. So if I come in here, so I could say, you know what, I want to save and exit this, and I want to see what this page looks like in real life. And this is how easy it is, right? So, and I click get access now. It's going to take me over to zubsummers.com because that's what I had to do, right? So that's pretty cool how I have that set up. Now this is another landing page. If you click the top link in my description, this is the landing page for that, and this page will actually ask you for your name and email address, and also get access to the product. But what this does is it takes you to a bridge page, and it's going to have a quick video of me chatting about what you're going to be getting on the next page, and then this page takes you to the actual sales page of the product. Okay, so I did all this with Thrive Architect really quickly. I can build this web page probably in 10 minutes. So guys, I mean, these landing pages in like 10 minutes. So guys, don't think that it's very complicated. Here's another one that I created. This is a real quick, easy one, you know, simple as can be, right? Get access. It'll take you right to a sales page after you enter your email, and you can click on all the links in my description, all the top links anyways. They're going to take you to some kind of landing page. All right, but all these landing pages were created with Thrive Architect. I just wanted to go over how easy it is to use Thrive Architect. So if you had any questions about using it, drop them down in the comments below. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. Again guys, I drop videos on this channel every single day, and I will continue to do so to help you in your marketing efforts. All right, peace, have a good day, and I'll catch you on the next video.